gotta believe.
Hello folks, this is going to be a little bit different pre-game video. Labor Day is on its way and I'm down here in Nutrien fireworks in the park. Since it's going to be an explosive game, I figured I'd take in some fireworks before the game. We'll talk about the game during the fireworks here. A lot of people down here again. Hopefully there's a better fireworks than they were for Canada Day. These guys are supposed to be professionals from Montreal, so should be a hell of a lot better. Hopefully, that's all we can ask. Should be a good one. Same as the game tomorrow. Hope you can. I've never tried it at night. This video. We'll see how it works. Okay, get the last song here before we get the fireworks going. There we go. Can't believe it. A lot of people out here. I think it's still about 26 degrees Celsius out here. Heat will play a factor in the game tomorrow, that's for sure. I think this should be the last song. The sound is pretty damn good. Sure got them up dancing, that's for sure. Fireworks, I might get copyrighted here. Music playing. Plan on talking during the fireworks, but I forgot they're gonna have all that music with the fireworks. Way too way too loud. But that's the way the crowd has to be for tomorrow's game. Loud, 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 loud. It's gonna be a hot one out there, and it's gonna be a battle of attrition. Who can last the longest? I feel sorry for those big linemen. They'll be losing weight big time, and it'll be a battle of the trenches. Who wins this one tomorrow? A battle of the trenches. And hopefully our D-line can stand up and get a hold of that Zach Hilaris. Like, both teams are pretty closely matched, if you ask me. And it's going to be which line can rattle the quarterback. Like, they got a pretty damn good defensive line too, and they get most of their pressure sacks have been coming from the outside, but they've been stopping the run pretty good too, and that's one of our keys. I think we're gonna have to do our best to I say we should shadow Oliveira. That's one guy that's coming back tomorrow, is Schoen, and Cobb, two receivers. They've got back in. Stearns, they took off the roster. I couldn't believe we put Ajo in. Yeah, man, he's only been just in camp, and they put him in, and Sales is showing back in too, but they're showing him as a game day decision. So I'm not sure whether, I hope he can play. And Alfred's back. That's a nice add too. He's playing for sure. We need him big time. McRae didn't play like I thought he was gonna play. It looked so good in preseason, but after that he had the bobbles. Be nice to get Alfred back in there. But like I said, this is going to be a game of who can last longest in the heat, and it's going to show in the third and the fourth quarters big time. There's the old truck. TD for me. Well, I'll probably do a little bit more video tomorrow. Game day video. Talk to you in a bit here in downtown Saskatoon. Hell of a fireworks display. I'll put a little bit of it on there. But we need this one big time, folks. We need this one big time. We can't afford a loss. Anyway, hope you can see me. Go Riders, go, and let's make a victory tomorrow on Labor Day. Be loud, be proud, Rider fans. Go Riders, go.